I want to show you how easy it is to connect your social media accounts to the system. So that way, anytime you want to schedule a post or you want to schedule a reoccurring post, you can do so through the system. So let's jump right into it. So when we land on the dashboard, when we first log in, we're going to go to the marketing section on the left-hand navigation bar. And right here, you'll see keep your social planned in one place. So in this example, we're going to connect our Instagram account. So we're going to click connect Instagram, and then we're going to log into our Facebook account that's connected to our Instagram account. And then a little pop-up window will appear where you can select the specific Instagram accounts that you want to connect to your account. So we're going to add this account, and then we're going to exit out, and then we're going to click get started. And that's going to take us right to the social planner interface. So to verify that your account has been connected correctly, we're going to go to the very top drop down, and then we can see the 2 Instagram accounts that we just added to our account. So that is how you add your social media profile to your account.